Namaste and my pranam to everyone. In this video, I am going to tell you how to prepare Ayurvedic khichdi at your home. As we know that khichdi, Ayurvedic khichdi is a very beneficial diet during the cleansing process. Either we have done the Laghu Sankh Prakshalan, intestinal cleansing, or we have done the Kunjal Kriya, stomach cleansing. In all these cleansing process, khichdi is a very essential diet and it's recommended by all the Yogacharya and Ayurvedacharya. Making of the khichdi process, you need a rice. Any rice you can take. I have taken the basmati rice here, around 100 grams of rice, and this is the green moong dal. This is called the moong dal. So I have taken around 50 grams of moong dal. So its proportion is the 2:1, 2 ratio 1 proportion. So I have taken 100 grams. Here is the 50 grams. And here you are looking here, some turmeric powder is needed in the process of khichdi making. And this is the hing. You can add it according to your taste. This is the ginger. You can add it according to your taste. And you can, if you want to add the tomato and you want to add the lauki and the ginger, so you can add some vegetables also. It's up to you. Okay, this is the cumin seeds, that is known as the jeera, and this is the rock salt, that is called the Himalayan salt also, or in Hindi it is called the sendha namak. So these ingredients we will use it in this khichdi making process. Clean the rice and moong dal properly so that all the dust and the dirt is cleaned. So it's very necessary. 2-3 times you need to clean the rice and the dal. All need to be clean. After cleansing, just take all the rice in the pot where you have to cook this rice. All the rice, take it like this. Now clean the moong dal also with the water 2-3 times. Mix it properly. Add water. 4 glass of water add. Now after 4 glass of water, you need to put this pot on the medium flame and leave it for 20 minutes, and in between you need to check it. Okay, and now you can mix a little bit of turmeric powder, and you can mix hing a little bit, and you can add, as according to your taste, the salt. Okay, now you need to cover it. After 20 minutes, you just check it. So now it's a thick semi-liquid paste, something is ready. Now your khichdi is ready. Now you can mix it properly. So this is also you can add directly, and then you can fry it with the ghee and cumin seeds and with ginger. Okay, so I will add desi ghee, cow ghee, 2 spoon. This is the ghee which I am using, and after that I will add cumin seeds, jeera, small amount, and ginger, and then I will put this all. So now your Ayurvedic khichdi is ready for it.
Please like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for further updates from Shri Ram Yoga Society.